Senior, eat these 5 superfoods to rebuild muscle and stay strong naturally. Over 60, just because the years are adding up doesn't mean your strength has to slip away. The truth is, the foods you put on your plate every day make a real difference. And if staying active, steady, and independent matters to you, you're in the right place. A lot of people think losing muscle is just part of getting older, but here's the good news. You can slow it down and even turn things around. In this video, we'll look at simple, proven foods that can help your legs feel stronger, your steps lighter, and your body recover more easily. If you've been waking up with leg cramps, feeling a little less steady, or just want to move with more confidence, this one's for you. 5. Chickpeas. Let's start with something small but powerful, chickpeas. You've probably seen them in salads, soups, or mashed into hummus. But what you might not realize is how much these little beige beans can do for your muscles, especially after 60. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle, a process called sarcopenia. That sounds scary, but here's the good news. Foods like chickpeas can help slow it down and even repair some of the loss. One of the big challenges after 60 is that your body doesn't use protein as efficiently as it once did. Back in your 30s or 40s, a small serving of protein went a long way. Now, your muscles need more support to heal and grow. That's where chickpeas shine. They're loaded with plant protein your body can use right away to rebuild muscle fiber. And you don't need intense workouts to see results. Even light movement like walking, gardening, or stretching, paired with chickpeas, can help you feel stronger over time. The real star in chickpeas is leucine, an amino acid that works like a green light for your muscles. It tells your body, time to repair and grow. As we get older, we need more leucine to spark that same repair response we used to get naturally. By eating foods rich in leucine like chickpeas, you give your muscles the exact signal they need. But that's not all. Chickpeas are packed with magnesium, a mineral that relaxes muscles and helps prevent those awful nighttime cramps that can jolt you awake. If you've ever shot out of bed with a Charlie horse, you know how painful that is. Magnesium also helps your nerves and muscles talk to each other, so your movements stay smooth instead of shaky. Another hidden helper in chickpeas is iron. Iron carries oxygen through your blood to your muscles, giving you steady energy. Without enough iron, you might feel tired, weak, or even dizzy, like climbing a few stairs suddenly feels like climbing a mountain. Low iron is common in older adults, especially if you don't eat much red meat. Chickpeas give you a gentle, plant-based boost without the heaviness or stomach upset of supplements. And don't forget fiber. Fiber doesn't directly build muscle, but it keeps your digestion regular and your blood sugar steady. That matters because a healthy gut helps you absorb the protein, magnesium, and iron from foods like chickpeas. Without good absorption, even the best diet can't do its job. The best part? Chickpeas are affordable, versatile, and easy to add to your meals. Roast them for a crunchy snack, blend into hummus, stir into soups or stews, or toss into salads and pasta. No fancy ingredients, no complicated prep, just real food that works hard for your body. Unlike pricey protein powders or supplements, chickpeas are whole natural foods your body knows exactly how to use. No chemicals, no mystery ingredients, just honest nutrition you can count on. If staying strong, mobile, and independent is your goal, chickpeas are a simple place to start. Small but mighty, they give your muscles the fuel they need to heal and keep you moving. Over time, those little choices, adding chickpeas to lunch, blending them into a dip, tossing them into soup, add up to a big difference in how steady and energized you feel each day. 4. Green peas. Next up is a food you might not think twice about: green peas. Most folks see peas as just a colorful side dish or something kids push around on their plates. But here's the surprise. These little green pearls are packed with nutrients your muscles really need, especially once you're in your 60s and beyond. Green peas are rich in 2 key amino acids, lysine and leucine. Your body can't make these on its own, so you need to get them from food. Lysine helps your body use calcium and repair muscle tissue, while leucine is one of the strongest signals for muscle growth. Think of leucine as the on switch that tells your muscles to start rebuilding after activity, whether it's a walk in the park or hauling groceries up the stairs. Peas also provide a nice dose of iron. Iron moves oxygen through your blood to your muscles, giving them the energy they need to work well. But here's the catch. Plant-based iron, like the kind in peas, isn't absorbed as easily as the iron from meat. The good news? There's a simple trick. Pair peas with foods rich in vitamin C, like a squeeze of lemon over cooked peas, or serving them with red bell peppers, and you can boost absorption dramatically. That small step can make a real difference if you've been feeling tired, weak, or short of breath lately. Pair peas also contain saponins, natural plant compounds with strong anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation can creep in over time, leaving muscles sore, joints stiff, and recovery slower. Adding anti-inflammatory foods like peas helps calm that process naturally. Less inflammation means less stiffness, fewer cramps, and an easier time staying active. One of the best things about peas is how simple and affordable they are. You don't need pricey superfoods to stay healthy. Just a bag of frozen peas or a handful of fresh ones can work wonders. They're easy to cook and go with almost anything. Toss them into soups, mix into salads, stir into pasta, or blend into a creamy puree. A drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of herbs, or a squeeze of lemon can turn them into a tasty, nutrient-packed side dish. Don't let their size fool you. Each serving delivers a powerful mix of plant protein, iron, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support your muscles from the inside out. And because peas are gentle on the stomach, they're a great choice if you want nutrient-rich foods without digestive discomfort. So the next time you're planning a meal, don't push peas aside as just filler. Think of them as one of nature's easiest ways to help you stay strong, steady, and balanced. Over time, adding peas regularly to your meals can mean fewer cramps, more energy, and the confidence to keep doing the things you love, whether that's gardening, walking, or keeping up with your grandkids. 3. Spirulina. Now let's talk about something that might sound a little unusual at first: spirulina. If you've never heard of it, you're not alone. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that's been around for billions of years, but only recently has it gained attention as one of the most nutrient-packed foods on Earth. And while it might sound like something from a science experiment, it's completely natural and surprisingly powerful for keeping muscles strong as we age. One of spirulina's biggest strengths is that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. That's a huge benefit for older adults because after 60, our muscles don't repair as quickly, and strength tends to fade faster. Spirulina provides those critical building blocks your muscles are craving without needing huge portions or complicated meals. But the benefits don't stop there. Spirulina is full of magnesium, a mineral many older adults don't get enough of. Magnesium keeps your muscles relaxed and helps prevent those sharp, painful cramps that can wake you up at night. If you've ever had a leg cramp pull you out of a deep sleep, you know how much it can ruin your rest. Adding magnesium-rich foods like spirulina helps calm muscles and keeps movement smoother during the day. It's also an excellent source of iron, which carries oxygen through your blood to your muscles. Low iron can leave you feeling tired, lightheaded, or weak, making even simple tasks feel exhausting. Unlike heavy iron supplements that can upset your stomach, spirulina's plant-based iron is gentle and easier to digest, helping boost your energy naturally over time. One of spirulina's most unique features is its antioxidant phycocyanin, the pigment that gives it that bright blue-green color. Phycocyanin works like a shield for your muscles, protecting them from inflammation and oxidative stress. Two big reasons for soreness, stiffness, and slower recovery as you get older. Think of it as a natural bodyguard, helping you bounce back faster after walking, gardening, or any activity that challenges your muscles. Spirulina is simple to use. It usually comes in powder or tablet form. Just a teaspoon of powder in a smoothie, a glass of water, or mixed into juice gives you a concentrated boost of nutrients. The taste is earthy, but when blended with fruits like banana or pineapple, It's hardly noticeable, and the benefits are worth it. For anyone looking to stay active and independent, spirulina can quietly make a real difference. It's not about quick fixes or trendy diets. It's about steady, daily support to keep you strong and resilient. Pairing spirulina with light exercise and balanced meals creates a solid foundation for muscle health, making it easier to walk confidently, climb stairs, and enjoy daily activities without constant fatigue. Best of all, spirulina doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. A small daily serving delivers protein, magnesium, iron, and antioxidants all in one natural source. Over time, those nutrients add up, helping reduce soreness, speed recovery, and give you more energy for the things you love to do. 2. Parsley. Now let's focus on something you've probably seen on your plate hundreds of times, but may have overlooked. Parsley. Most people think of parsley as nothing more than a garnish, just a little green decoration on the side. But don't let its simple look fool you. Parsley is full of nutrients that quietly support your muscles, bones, and overall strength benefits that become even more important once you're in your 60s and beyond. One of parsley's standout compounds is apigenin, a natural plant nutrient that works like a repair crew for your muscles. As we age, the tiny tears in our muscle fibers, which happen naturally with everyday movement, take longer to heal. This slower recovery is one reason strength tends to fade over time. Apigenin helps your body's repair process, encouraging muscle regeneration so you bounce back faster after activity. Parsley is also rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that doesn't get as much attention as vitamin C or D, but is just as critical, especially for bones and muscles. Vitamin K helps your body use calcium properly, sending it into your bones, where it builds a strong foundation. Stronger bones give your muscles better support, improving balance, and lowering the risk of falls, a common concern for many older adults. On top of that, parsley contains iron, which your body uses to carry oxygen to your muscles. Low iron can leave you feeling tired, dizzy, or weak without a clear reason. While parsley doesn't have as much iron as meat, it's a gentle plant-based source, especially when paired with foods rich in vitamin C, to help your body absorb more of it. Sprinkling parsley over citrus salads or adding it to vegetable soups is an easy way to boost your intake. One of the best things about parsley is how easy it is to use. You'll find it fresh in almost every grocery store, and it's one of the simplest herbs to grow at home, even in a small pot on your windowsill. You don't need much, just a small handful added regularly to meals can deliver real benefits over time. Toss it into omelets, stir into soups, sprinkle over roasted veggies, or blend into smoothies for a mild, fresh flavor that works with almost anything. But unlike many health foods that can be pricey or complicated, parsley is affordable, easy to find, and slips right into everyday cooking. It's one of those quiet kitchen heroes, small in size but big in impact. For older adults who want to stay strong, steady, and independent, parsley is a simple upgrade to your daily diet. It helps repair muscles with apigenin, builds stronger bones with vitamin K, and boosts energy with iron, a triple benefit that grows over time. Never underestimate the power of a little sprinkle of green. 1. Chives. Finally, let's shine a light on an herb that rarely gets the spotlight. Chives. You've probably seen them sprinkled over baked potatoes, soups, or scrambled eggs. But what you might not know is that these slender green stalks are loaded with vitamins and compounds that directly support muscle strength, balance, and energy as you age. One of chives' key nutrients is vitamin K. Most people connect vitamin K to blood clotting, but it's also vital for bone and muscle health. It helps your body use calcium properly, moving it into your bones to keep your skeleton strong. Stronger bones give your muscles a solid foundation to work from, which helps improve balance and lowers the risk of falls. Weak bones and weak muscles often go hand in hand. So, strengthening one also supports the other. Chives also bring vitamin C, best known for supporting your immune system, but just as important for muscle repair. Everyday movement, whether walking, gardening, or climbing stairs, creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers. That's normal, but those fibers need collagen to heal and grow stronger. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, acting like glue to keep muscles firm and resilient. Another powerful nutrient in chives is quercetin. While the name sounds technical, think of quercetin as a natural anti-inflammatory. Inflammation can sneak up on you, causing stiffness, soreness, and cramps. By calming inflammation, quercetin helps you move more comfortably, making daily activities from strolling in the park to standing up from a chair feel easier. The best part about chives is how simple they are to use. You don't need a lot to see benefits. Even a small sprinkle over eggs, salads, or soups adds flavor and nutrition without effort. They grow easily in gardens and even in small pots indoors, so you can keep fresh chives handy year-round. Gentle on the stomach and endlessly versatile, chives have a mild, onion-like taste that works in countless dishes from morning omelets to baked fish. Adding them regularly isn't just about flavor, it's about giving your muscles and bones steady, consistent support. If you've been dealing with leg tightness, cramps, or general weakness, don't overlook chives. When paired with other muscle-friendly foods like chickpeas, peas, and parsley, they help create a well-rounded diet that supports strength, mobility, and independence well into your later years. Sometimes, the smallest ingredients, the ones we hardly notice, are the ones doing the most for our health. And if walking feels tougher than it used to, if your legs get tired quickly or feel shaky when you stand, it's worth paying attention. This isn't just getting older, it could be sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle over time. The good news? You can do something about it. One of the easiest places to start is with the food you eat every day. Each meal is a chance to give your muscles what they need: protein, minerals, and vitamins that restore strength, improve balance, and make everyday movement easier. You don't have to change your whole diet overnight. Start with one healthy choice at a time, and let those small steps build. Over weeks and months, you'll start to notice the difference in how strong, steady, and confident you feel. And remember, you're not doing this alone. We're here to share practical, science-backed tips that truly work. No gimmicks, no hype, just real solutions you can count on. If staying strong and independent matters to you, keep watching. In our next video, we'll share even more natural ways to protect your muscles and feel your best at any age.